This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pamela Froman. Charming Brick Mid-Century Cape Cod. Corner property in established waterfront community. Spacious rooms including huge primary bedroom west/fireplace. Converted garage/laundry room and large living room. New kitchen cabinets. LG breakfast bar, kid appliances. Convey. Newly painted throughout in neutral paint color. Newer Rinnai tankless hot water heater. New laminate and carpet. Large game room with pool table, to convey, LED lighting throughout. New roof.Great opportunity to own this classic mid-century all-brick, well-maintained residence in Merrimac Point. Enjoy the convenience to shopping, Interstate, Coast Guard Base, Portsmouth Naval Shipyard, Norfolk Naval Shipyard. Reach all points of Hampton Roads within minutes. Oversized detached one-car garage, new 6 privacy fencing, large attic storage space. Churchland School District. For more information,